Hi guys, this is Jo from Conscious Eating. Welcome back. Today I want to share a recipe for one of my favorite salads. I've been asked to do this video to share this recipe a number of times now, so I thought it was about time. Now this salad I like to eat at least 3 to 4 times a week, if not more. It provides you a lot of nutrients in the one meal. So you've got a combination of all the macronutrients, whether that's fat, carbohydrates or proteins, all in the one meal. It's vegan and vegetarian friendly, so it is one of those salads that will fill you up. You won't need to eat meat or any other type of protein with it because I add nuts in it, which provide the protein content of the meal anyway. If you try the salad, let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to know if you've tried the same recipe or if you've made any changes. So let's get straight into it. So to start off this salad, you'll need about a cup of lettuce. I like to use baby cos, but you can use whatever type of favorite lettuce you like. You'll also need a cup of grated carrot. Now when I use organic carrots, I don't peel them off, so I just grate them like that. You also need a cup of celery. I like to cut my celery in really tiny chunks, but you know, if you want to use you know, you can just cut them to the size that you like. And I also like to use bell peppers or red capsicum, so as you can see, I've got a cup of that. Now for the dressing, I like to use some lemon juice. Now in this lemon juice, this is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've just mixed salt and pepper, black pepper in it already. And here I've got a large avocado smashed up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the lemon through the avocado, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're just going to mix it all together really nice, and then we're going to mix all of that with the salad together. My avocado dressing ready over here. I forgot to mention that I also like to add nuts. Now these are just activated pecans that I use. You can use walnuts if you like, cashew nuts, or whatever type of nuts that you like, you can add them in. I just love the texture and flavor of pecans, and these are activated, and I've just chopped them up into small pieces. So now I'm going to mix everything together. So here I've added the avocado dressing into the salad mix that I prepared, and I'm just going to mix it all up and show you what it looks like as a final salad. So now the dressing is all mixed up with the salad, as you can see. So this is what the final salad looks like, guys. It's about, as you can see, there's about 5 or 7 cups of vegetables in there. It is a full meal, as you can see, because there is heaps of vegetables which give you the carbohydrates for the day. There's nuts which add the protein. There's also oil, so that you've got the fat in there, you've got lemon. It's got all sweet, sour flavors in there. A really nice mix to have. You know, you could have this salad every day. But yeah, I hope that you will try this, and let me know how you go with that. Well, I hope you give this salad a go. Let me know how you go with that. I'd be really interested to know whether you liked it or not. Like I said before, it's one of my favorite salads, and it is really a full meal in itself. So if you have a salad like that with all these different combinations of vegetables, you're getting a lot of nutrients in the one meal. So for me, it's just quick and easy. I've got a busy lifestyle, and to get all the nutrients in the one meal is just you know, it's just absolutely fantastic for me. So yeah, do let me know in the comments below how you went with that, and next time I'll see you in my next video.